swim slow, nice and calm, shell on back like a safety charm. Fish go swish with tail so quick, left and right, swim, swim, slick. Hey! Under the water, swim, swim, swim. Ocean friends, let's learn with them. Dolphin jumps, happy and smart, plays in water, loves to dart. Shark swims strong, big and tall, moves through water, that is all. Swim like this, swish, jump like that, jump, turn around, clap, clap, splash, hey! Hoo! Jellyfish floats, soft and round, up and down without a sound. Seahorse swims upright and slow, curly tail go with the flow. Octopus has arms, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Can you see? 7, 8. Wiggle them all. Octopus dances, big and small. Turtle, turtle. Fish, fish. Dolphin, dolphin. Shark, shark. Jellyfish, jellyfish. Seahorse, seahorse. Octopus, octopus. Yo! Hey! Ocean friends, we know them now. Splash, splash, wave goodbye. Under the water, see you next time. Hey!